So today's question is, why should I upgrade to the premium service on LinkedIn? Many reasons. Stand by. I'm Martin Buckland. I'm an executive career management practitioner, and I help senior executives across the world reach their career goals. There's a lot more. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that bell button where you will be notified of future videos, and there are a lot more coming. So after this video, you will know why you should upgrade to the premium on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an amazing tool for your career management. Yes, there's a free version, but like anything, if you upgrade, you're going to get more bells and whistles. For a minimum price, you need to upgrade, especially if you are really considering managing your career, or even more so when you are in career transition. You can pay monthly, you can pay per annum. I would suggest for all your career time, you have the premium service. Why? It's because you get more bells and whistles. First of all, you can see who's visited your profile. You need to see who visits your profile. And here's a tip for you. If somebody visits your profile, why not address them and say, "Oh, hi Joe, thanks for visiting my profile. How may I help you?" Because invariably they probably visited your profile because they were inquisitive. They wanted to know a little bit more about you. They also might be in a hiring position. They might be looking for talent like you. They might also be an executive recruiter. So you're building rapport. Plus you get additional in-mails. Now, if you're anything like me, you can run out of regular mail, so you need to have the extra in-mails to allow you to connect with more people. Yeah, so finally, you get increased searchability. You need to be on LinkedIn as much as you can to manage your career, and if you are in career transition, even more so. So for a very little expense, upgrade to the premium version of LinkedIn. If you are in career transition, I'd be happy to help you. I am Martin Buckland. I am an executive career management practitioner. I love what I do. I can help you manage and advance your career. Thanks for watching.